is a Lagos State agency that are responsible for the environmental cleanliness of the area. They pack the dustbin when people get to dump them on the specific place that government asks them to do so. Then LOMA will now get to evacuate those dustbin for the free flow of traffic and also for the environmental cleanliness of the area. That trying. I've been in this Lagos for quite a while. There used to be in those days that dustbin will litter up the whole road. Sometimes, mostly, like immediately after sanitation on sanitation days, you have it very difficult to drive your car through the way because the dustbin must have blocked the whole way. But now I think the reverse is the case on the positive dimension. That is why I say that LOMA has really tried, because at least when you begin to look back and you now recall that what is happening now compared to the past, I think it is better. But the English people say there's always room for an improvement, so we also expect them to improve more.
Mi mọ̀ ń pa ojú pé bóyá kí ìdọ̀tí wà ní agbègbè kan dé kan kó tàbí àwọn tí wọ́n ń gbà tó máa ń gbálẹ̀ lọ gbálẹ̀ bọ̀ kí wọ́n gbá gbogbo ìdọ̀tí tí àwa èèyàn bá ṣe sílẹ̀ kán dẹ̀ kó sí ibì kan bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tó ń gbé mọ́tò kọjá tó ń bá dé wọ́n á kó wọ́n ń try wọ́n ń gbìyànjú nípa iṣẹ́ wọn ṣùgbọ́n àwa èèyàn ìdọ̀tí tá à ń ṣe ó pọ̀ ẹlòmíì tó bá ń jẹun lọ sí ibi tó bá ti jẹ́ dé tó ti tán ó jù sílẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣẹ̀mọ̀ wọ́n lè máa gbálẹ̀ lọ wájú báyìí kán tún máa bójú ẹ̀yìn kí ìdọ̀tí ti máa bọ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn ìyàtọ̀ wà ó tán bá gbàlù yìí à nílè dúró níbi tẹ̀wà yìí tán bá filẹ̀ ọjọ́ kan tí wọ́n bá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀ nílè rìn bíbà torí ìdọ̀tí tó máa wà ń bì kílẹ̀ tó ṣú kò ń ṣe ìdọ̀tí kékeré àwa gan tá à ń tajà ń bì tó bá di pàǹlọ́lé lálẹ́ tá a bá gba ilẹ̀ ibi báyìí ká tó dé láàárọ̀ torí àwọn ọ̀ràn kan tún máa ń rìn lọ́wọ́ òru oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó bá ń bóyá ń bọ̀ láti travel ni bóyá ń ṣe ni gbogbo ìdọ̀tí náà tún máa ṣẹlẹ̀ kó lè hàn pé agbá bíbà ìka tó lọlé so tán bá wá gba rárá ẹ̀ nílé dúró bí tẹ dúró yìí so kán túbọ̀ wá kàn bá fi kán túbọ̀ bá put more effort kí everything lè wà in order but wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ní kàn ṣe àwọn màmá yẹn wọ́n gbìyànjú wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ wọn ìdọ̀tí tí àwa ọmọ Nàìjíríà ń ṣe ló pọ̀ so òun ni èmi kò wò pé bí atán bá tún lè bá a ṣe basket tán ṣe níjọ́sí àwọn basket from one pole to another pole mo believe pé a tún yàtọ̀ torí tí èèyàn bá ní ojú tó fi ríran torí basket ní pole yìí tó débẹ̀ yẹn tó rí tó bá ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ jù ó yẹ kó lọ sí di basket yẹn kó jù èmi ò bá rọ àwọn ìjọba pé kán jọ kán bá a tún ṣe basket yẹn padà bọ̀ kí basket yẹn dẹ̀ jẹ́ ńláńlá kó má jẹ́ kéékèèké tó yẹ pé kó tó tù gan ó ti kún kán má bá wa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
There are those who help to keep the environment very clean. Generally, their work is somehow hard. You will agree. But the fact that they are trying in Lagos, actually, because when I came to Lagos, I discovered they were sweeping every day. But today, you will see that LOMA almost sweep 3 times in a day. Morning, afternoon, at times in the evening, you still see a set of others who come around to clean. It's a quite improvement. The street you may not really say, but highway, that there has been very much improvement. But the inner streets, at times they don't really enter too far like that, but still it is very, very much improved. You will discover that refuge, mostly there are too much of dump sites everywhere and nobody is always looking after them. Weak, you will see everywhere so filthy. You cry and cry. Before their cars will come, then it's not too good. But today there's been improvement because almost on everyday basics, you will see those who come and cut away our waste bin, and also you will see them come at times to even lecture us on how to make sure that we keep our environment clean, to make sure that we sweep and make things look very nice. Some of the advocates, they are car advocates. I will not deny that. One or two, not always. They don't come always, but you see their car, they will park at times, they will tell you Please don't drop dirty here. Don't give your dirt to wheelbarrow, and please don't throw things on the way. Make sure you pack it. We will come and pack it. If we don't come, then please complain to our office. They used to do that. I've not complained to their office, but there are some issues that still stand. I think their office is still too far from some of us. If they can decentralize somehow to bring it closer to the people, or better still have some foot soldiers who might be going around to pick up some complaints, I think it will be easier. Because at times you discover before we close, now everybody want to go down to a particular place. It looks studious at times and we feel reluctant. But if we have a place that's so close, it will work better.